The most important part of maintaining your WaterChef filtration system is replacing the filter cartridge on a regular service interval. To ensure that your system continues to perform as stated in the performance data sheet, your filter cartridge should be replaced upon the first occurrence of the following: annually, when the red LED light begins flashing, indicating that the rated capacity has been reached, when the flow rate diminishes, or when you notice a taste or odor recurrence. Begin by turning the system T-valve to the off position, then turn the system faucet on to release system pressure. Turn the system faucet off once water has stopped draining. Remove system housing from your cabinet and place it in a bucket or plastic container. This will make it easier to replace the cartridge and help catch any residual water that may come from the system during cartridge replacement. We recommend having a few clean towels handy as well. Turn knob on the system clamp counterclockwise to loosen. Once loosened, hold the latch with one hand while pressing knob towards latch with other hand to remove T-bolt from latch. Remove clamp from the lid assembly and filter housing and set aside. Lift lid assembly from filter housing. While holding lid assembly, turn the used filter cartridge counterclockwise to remove. Remove the plastic wrap from your new filter cartridge and thread the cartridge clockwise onto the threaded posts inside the lid assembly until you feel resistance. Make an additional quarter turn. Do not over-tighten. Make certain the O-ring is still seated on the lid assembly, then insert filter cartridge into filter housing until O-ring and lid assembly are seated onto filter housing. Note: if your system has a red gasket, refer to printed installation instructions for gasket orientation. Place clamp around lid assembly and filter housing, making sure it is aligned all the way around the lid and housing. Once clamp is fully aligned, relatch T-bolt, then tighten knob on clamp firmly. Remove battery shuttle from intelligent monitor and discard. Allow 10 seconds before inserting new battery shuttle into intelligent monitor. This resets the rated capacity counter to 0 gallons. The LED indicators located on the system faucet will flash green, yellow, and red 5 times. Do not remove battery shuttle until it is time to replace the filter cartridge. Removing battery shuttle prematurely may result in loss of data. Return system to cabinet, then slowly turn T-valve on and check for leaks. Turn system faucet on. Water will begin to fill the filter housing. Once water begins to flow from the system faucet, the green LED indicator will begin flashing. Check to see that all hose, clamp, and housing connections are tight and do not leak. Allow the system to flush into sink for 15 minutes. This will remove any carbon particles left from the manufacturing process, expel trapped air, and condition the filter cartridge for normal use. Congratulations! Your WaterChef filter cartridge is installed and ready to enjoy.